Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be kicking off my Christmas decorating. We're going to be starting here in the dining room. As you guys know, this year I'm going for a very classic yet vintage and kind of nostalgic Christmas vibe. And here in my dining room is no different. So I do decorate my hutch behind me. As you can see, I have a couple of small wreaths hanging on the wall. And then I have a very simple yet I think stunning centerpiece here on my dining room table that I cannot wait to show you. It is truly beautiful, something that you can keep up all winter long if you wanted to. And it's extremely easy to achieve the look. But before we get started with the decorating, I do want to thank today's sponsor, which is Lubona. Lubona is a furniture company that they have tons of beautiful and honestly great prices on their furniture. I cannot get over how good their prices are. So typically when you shop for dining room chairs, for example, there are other brands that sell them for $100+ per chair. And I was able to get a set of 6 chairs from Lubona for under $400, which in my opinion is a complete steal. So they have tons of items to choose from. They're all beautiful, all great quality. I have several Lubona pieces here in my home and I love each and every one of them. I do also have a discount code for you guys. It is code Nicole. If you use that at checkout, you can save 15% on your purchase. They come in several colors and we went with the dark brown color and I absolutely love them. I feel like they make our dining room feel a lot bigger, a lot more airy, and add a little bit of charm to it as well. So thank you to Lubona for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now let's go ahead and get into the decorating. First, we're going to be starting here with the hutch, and you guys will notice I have a lot of brass elements in this space. Most of these pieces that I decorate with in here are either thrifted or from the antique store. I like to really bring that kind of old world charm into my home, and I think it's very classy and pretty for the holiday season. So I do have several bottle brush trees I like to put in here. I have, like I said, just a lot of collected things that I have been purchasing over time, and I don't have like shelves to display most things here in my home, so my hutch is kind of the way that I do that and keep those things in my dining room. A lot of these things, like I said, they're kind of just special treasures that I've picked up throughout the years, and I love having them out for the season. You guys will notice there is a lot of kind of classic Christmas decor colors in here with greens and reds, and my goal here was to just create a very vintage and nostalgic Christmas vibe. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to go ahead and play some classy Christmas music. Hopefully it can get you guys relaxed and you can get some home decorating inspiration along the way. I wanted to create an arrangement for our front door, like the back side of it that shows in our dining room, simply because it is white and it's just really bland in that corner. So what I did to spruce it up a little bit was take one of those baskets that has the flat back and the lip on it, and I had some leftover Christmas decor that I wasn't using in other places in my home, like this stem here. I had one greenery stem and then I had 2 frosted berry stems. These came from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, but I know they do have those in store now as well. And then I had one leftover vintage bell and a little bit of red ribbon. So I'm just kind of making an arrangement and placing these in the basket. You guys will see the end result here in just a second, but play around with some of the decor that you have left over. That way you don't have to go out and buy new things. Again, these are all things that I've had for a couple of years now that I just had laying around in my Christmas totes, and I wanted to make good use of them. Next up, we are going to be focusing on the dining room centerpiece on the table. And as you can see here, I do have a wicker tray. This is just a round tray that I've had for quite a while now. And to put on the inside, you can either take an actual round wreath, or you can do what I did. I had a couple strands of garland laying around, and I just cut them into 2 smaller strips and shaped them into a round like wreath. So that's what I did. And then to give it more of kind of like that lifelike, more wispy kind of organic look, I had a few extra stems that were just real, like I said, very realistic, and just stuck those around the base of the basket and just kind of gave it a fuller look. So for the center of the basket, I went ahead and placed 5 different candlesticks. They're all different sizes. I have the tallest one in the middle, and then I have 2 medium and 2 small. And then I'm taking my favorite battery operated candles from Amazon. The last time I checked was a couple days ago, and these were actually on sale for a set of 6 for under $17. So if you're interested in something like this, be sure to check out my Amazon storefront link down below. I will have it down in the description box, and I have a tab titled Christmas in my Amazon storefront that has all of my favorite Christmas Amazon finds. But this is the final result for the dining room. I'm loving it. I really do love these chairs. I feel like it adds a lot of charm to our dining room and gives it some more texture and dimension that it needed, because sometimes it looks a little bland to me. But for Christmas, I'm loving it so far. Truly love this centerpiece. Like I said before, this is something that you can keep up all winter long if you wanted to, and just adding in those simple touches of Christmas to it as well if you would like, with red berries and things. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite area of the dining room that I decorated. That is everything for today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you are new, because I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I post. I try to post every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. During this holiday season, it's been a little bit off, but bear with me. I do have tons more decorating content coming your way, along with some fun festive videos. And if you are in the market for shopping for Christmas decor, I know Thanksgiving is coming up this week, and there is lots of Christmas shopping coming this weekend with Black Friday, Small Business Saturday. So be sure to check out those videos as well. I do love thrifting a lot of my Christmas decor. So if you're in the market for thrifting content or anything that just involves a classic, vintage, and nostalgic Christmas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to check out those videos as well. That way you are prepared whenever you are doing your holiday shopping this weekend. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.